بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my cute and sweet and dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. और आप बहुत अच्छे होंगे, आप बहुत खूबसूरत होंगे, आप बहुत अपना ख्याल रखेंगे और अपने पेरेंट्स का भी ख्याल रखेंगे और अपना होमवर्क टास्क जो है वो भी टाइम पे करेंगे और लेसन्स भी टाइम पे प्रिपेयर करेंगे। सही है कि जब आप हमें ज्वाइन करें आपको सब कुछ आता हो। वेरी गुड। नाउ कम टू योर इंग्लिश बुक नाउ। This is your English book, as you know. So now students, open your page number 3. Okay students, this is your page number 3. Okay, as you know, हमने a और an articles के बारे में काफ़ी पढ़ा। हमने पिछले 5 वीडियोस में we learned a lot about them। ठीक है, तो this is your revision page. This is also your revision page and we also have to revise them again. Okay, so come on students, my sweet students, come and we will revise this page. Okay, read it with me. Okay, first I will read, then you will follow me. Okay, now come here, look at here. This is a and this is am. You know these two articles. Okay, look at here. Look at this picture. What is this? I think it's a box. Yes, it is a box. It is a box. B-O-X. What is the sound of B? B. What is the sound of B? B. B-O-X. Box. A box. A box. A box. Come on. Read it with me. A box. A box. Yes. Very good. Now come here. Oh my God. What is this? Such a beautiful fruit it is. I think it is a fruit. And what is the name of the fruit? Mango. Mango. A-M-A-N-G-O. Mango. So the starting first letter is consonant. So we write here A and read it like this. A mango. A mango. A mango. A-M-A-N-G-O. A mango. Very good. What is the color of mango? Yellow and a little bit green or blackish type. Okay. Come on, read with me. A mango. Again we come to the box. A box. A box. A box. The second one is a mango. A mango. A mango. Okay. Look at the third picture now. What is this? Have you any idea about it? What is this? Gee, this is window. This is window. Window. W-I-N-D-O-W. Window. This is window. And what is the starting letter? W. Is it a vowel? No. It is a consonant. So we write a window. We read like this. A window. A window. A window. Very good, students. Now come to the next line. Read it with me. A cat. A cat. C-A-T, cat. A cat. A cat. Now what is the second one? A jug. A jug. A jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. J-U-G, jug. What is the starting letter? J. So we use A here. A jug. J sound is j. J. J sound is j. Okay, now come to the next one. A book. What is the B sound? B. What is the B sound? B. A book. B-O-O-K. Book. A book. Okay, now come to the next one. A tree. Tree is a tree. T-R-E-E, tree. The starting letter is T, so it is a consonant. So we read it like a tree. Okay, what is the next one? Man. M-A-N, man. The starting sound is M-A-N, man. A man. The starting letter is M, so M is a consonant. So we write or we read it like this. A man. A woman. A woman. W-O-M-A-N. Woman. ठीक है? A woman. A boy. ये सब हमारे पास A कैटेगरी के हैं, A आर्टिकल्स के हैं. ओके, ये सारे वर्ड्स हमारे पास A आर्टिकल्स के हैं जो हम पढ़ रहे हैं. इन सारों के साथ हम A लिखेंगे या A बोलेंगे. ठीक है? A boy. B-O-Y, boy. A boy. A girl. A girl. A girl. G-I-R-L. A desk. D-E-S-K, desk. A desk. A fish. F-I-S-H, fish. A fish. A fish. What is the starting sound? Fish. A wall. A wall. W-A-L-L, wall. A wall. A zoo. A zoo. Z-O-O, zoo. A zoo. Okay, very good, students. Now, as you know, that's why we read it like this. A cat, a jug, a book, a tree, a zoo. Because the starting letters are all the vowels. The starting letters are all the vowels. That's why this is the article A family. ठीक है? इसके साथ हम A क्यों बोलेंगे? क्योंकि ये सारे consonants हैं. ठीक है? सारे consonants हैं, तो इस वजह से हम इनके साथ A बोलेंगे. सही है? Now come to the an family. Okay? This is article an. This is article an. A-N, an. A-N, an. Now look at the first picture. What is this? This is a fruit. This is a fruit. A red, beautiful fruit. And you know it. That what is the name of this fruit? Apple. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. So the starting letter is vowel. So we read it like this. An apple. An apple. An apple. Now come to the next picture. Look at here. Orangey, orangey. And the color is also orange. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. And orange. An orange. An orange. O is vowel. So we read it like this. An orange. Now look at here. This is what? Tell me. Come on, raise your hands. Tell me, what is this? Yes, this is a cute elephant. Oh my God. How cute he is. And look at this. What is this? This is the trunk of an elephant. Trunk. The elephant big nose is called trunk. Okay. This is an elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. An elephant. An elephant. An elephant. Very good. Come on, repeat it with me. Come on. An apple. An orange. An elephant. Very good. Okay. Very nice. This is all reading, okay? Come on. Come to this page, number 3 again, and to this one. These all are from An family, okay? The all words are, we read or we write An with it. Look at the first one. An X. A-X-E-X. An X. An X. An X. Now this one, ear. E-A-R. Ear. An ear. An ear. Come on, repeat with me. An ear. What is this? Egg. An egg. E-double-G. Egg. An egg. Now look at here. An igloo. An igloo. I-G-L-O-O. Igloo. An arm. An arm. An arm. A-R-M. Arm. An ant. An ant. A-N-T. Ant. An insect. An insect. An insect. I-N-S-E-C-T. An owl. An owl. An owl. O-W-L. Owl. An arrow. An arrow. A-R-R-O-W. Arrow. An elbow. E-L-B-O-W. An elbow. An elbow. Very good, students. Great job. Now, come on, read it with me again. An eagle. An eagle. An eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Eagle. An umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. U-M-B-R-E-L-L-A. Umbrella. Yes, very good. Excellent, my students. जैसे कि हमने इस पेज में पढ़ा ए और एन के बारे में, जो हम दूसरे पेजेस में भी पढ़ चुके हैं. हमने ए फैमिली पहले पढ़ा, जिसमें ए आता है, जिसके स्टार्टिंग लेटर्स जो हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट हैं. फिर हमने एन के बारे में पढ़ा. जो एन फैमिली है, इनमें हम एन इसलिए लगाते हैं क्योंकि द स्टार्टिंग लेटर्स आर वोवल. ठीक है, तो वोवल्स के साथ एन लगाते हैं, कॉन्सोनेंट्स के साथ ए लगाते हैं, और ए और एन को हम आर्टिकल्स कहते हैं. ठीक है, दे आर फ्रॉम द आर्टिकल्स फैमिली. ठीक है, आई थिंक आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ आ गया होगा. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, अब आपने इनको घर में रीड करना है और अगेन एंड अगेन रीड करना है. इसको समझना है, इसको जानना है. ठीक है, अपनी मामा के साथ, अपने पापा के साथ, जिसके साथ आप चाहें उनके साथ आप रीड करें और इसको एंजॉय करें. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, इन दिस लेसन दिस इज ऑल्सो योर होमवर्क टास्क. आपको इस ये आपका होमवर्क टास्क भी है. You have to read it again and again and again. Okay, and you have to learn the spellings and you have to understand about A and N. So this is all. This is your homework task. Okay, बच्चों अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें, अपने पेरेंट्स का भी ख्याल रखें और अपने पढ़ाई पे तवज्जो दें ताकि आपका टाइम मिस ना हो. Okay, thank you parents for your cooperation. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.